where we were with the other type of those ones we go there. And that's the one second. Yeah? Pyrenees, again, to the north, we have the south, over there, the north there, so those are the Pyrenees. Yeah? And the one set is that mountain range in the middle, first, second first, and we just jump over the road through it, and the first stop for the first big sea this morning in the Ajah Basin. Now, in front of you here, this valley is the Tramp Valley. Yeah? Sorry?
They are sitting on the wall.
Are we careful?
Yeah. Be careful.
We don't want to go forward. So what you see here in front of you is the whole Tramp Basin here, the pink, right? And you see we are again in the green. So if you remember, yesterday the oldest thrust we had was the horizontal thrust. And we are now standing, except that you see already just over there, is first and thrust. Okay? So that is for the setting. Yeah? So we have crossed this plane here. Yeah? Now, you see water here, these are high up. Why would there be water here in the first place? Why do we have water? There would be one explanation, but that's not the right one here. So what is that stuff behind here? The
Limestone?
Limestone.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah?
and mudstone.
And mudstone there. Yeah? So all the rain that is falling goes through these limestones, yeah, and where it cannot go any further because of the mudstones, it comes out, and that is exactly here. Yeah? That's why there is water here. I think the history, Mariano knows much better than I, is about 40 years ago, so people all moved to Barcelona, they have deserved it, but now basically people are moving back in, become a bit of a Egyptian type of second house. And also this story about the church here. So, Abaya de la Conca, so why are we here now? We are very close to, we can touch it, in a minute we will touch it, these rocks, which is your thrust plane. The first one, the oldest one. So we are going to see what the structural impact is of the thrust plane going over, let's say, the younger stuff over. Yeah? Mariano, can you
Just locate yourself on the cross section too, which this is stop 1.3, which is
Page 24.
page 70. You can locate also not only in map but also in cross section. Okay. 1.3. And also this reddish rock in front of us are time equivalent of our first stop on the other basin. The reddish stuff. Yeah, what happens is that we are dealing with a different basin, the stratigraphy is a bit different, but they are time equivalent.
So we will now try to find a place where we can really touch the rock and see if we can define, let's say, the thrust plane itself. Yeah, so where it really moves over the sediment.
Alim.
Well, only the recent Ebro stuff, you know, so that is the recent, basically river deposit. No, not yet. Yeah, so what was in place and then was deformed by the structure. How old is this house? Have an idea how old it is? No, the house I don't know, but this church over there was from I think 1100 or so. Yeah, or 9 to 1100. It's very old, very old. But these houses probably are not so old. And it was a very poor village. And you know, 40, 50 years ago, people moved out to Barcelona to find work and everything. But now it becomes a bit of a yuppie type of environment. The Ring of Lion bought these houses.